Hey, this is Elizabeth Potts-Weinstein, and you are watching Legal Your Truth. So perhaps you've watched some of my other videos and learned about all the legal issues that small business owners have and wish you could hire a lawyer to solve these issues for you, to write up all these contracts, to answer all your legal questions, but you don't yet have the money. So what do you do? A lot of people use the internet, and that sounds like a great idea. There's a ton of websites that purport to give you contracts, to form your entity for you, and to do kind of the commodity work of a lawyer. And what I mean by commodity is they produce some kind of deliverable. They produce a contract for you, a generic template contract, or they file the forms to create your LLC, or they file your trademark application for you. And it is true, you can use those services to do that legal leg work. But they're not giving you legal advice, and they're not helping you understand the big picture. So if you're going to have to do your own legal work, what I recommend is something that's going to give you the big picture. I really love the books put out by Nolo Publishing. They have tons of books on trademarks, on forming an LLC or a corporation, on maintaining your business entity, on contracts. And this book in particular, the Working for Yourself book, Law and Taxes for Independent Contractors, Freelancers, and Consultants by Stephen Fishman. I'll put the link below. This is a great book for those of you who are consultants or coaches or some other kind of service business or customized deliverable. And it's a great overview of all the different kinds of legal things. So we're talking about everything from client agreements to taxes to accounting to trademarks. It's a great overview. And that way, you're not going to just have a contract, you're going to understand why you have a contract, what all the different terms mean. You're going to understand the legal theories to a certain extent behind all the legal stuff you're doing, so you actually know how to use it. So often I see people who try to do their own legal work through some website, and while they may have gotten a contract, while they may have a trademark, while they may have an LLC, they don't really understand why. And so they haven't implemented it in a way that actually makes it a good use of their money. So highly recommend all of their books, and especially this Working for Yourself book that for sole proprietors, other one-person service-based businesses. Hey, this is Elizabeth Potts-Weinstein, and you just watched Legal Your Truth. For more tips for small business owners and entrepreneurs, you can go to elizabethpw.com or follow me on Twitter at ElizabethPW. Thanks a lot.